Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker is just a few days away and the hype is real. Samsung has apparently gone over to the dark side with their latest version of the Note 10 Plus. Say hello to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Special Edition. Phew, that was a mouthful. Right from the box, you can see Star Wars and Kylo Ren all over. As you open it, you'll find the special edition leather case with Kylo Ren's helmet on it, a collector's Star Wars black of sorts, and matching special edition red and black Galaxy Buds, which I love. The Note 10 Plus itself is black with the First Order logo on the back, has red accents on the buttons as well as the camera, and comes with a gorgeous red S Pen inspired by Kylo's lightsaber. As you jump into the device, you realize that the phone has Star Wars plastered all over as well as inside it. The first thing you notice are the custom wallpapers designed specifically for this version. You've got a few to choose from, which is great. The Samsung One UI 2 has a major overhaul with custom icons for internal apps. Black and red are all over the theme, which can be specifically seen in the settings menus as well as notification menus. There are also custom Star Wars sounds that are triggered when you interact with the phone. For example, when you remove or insert the S Pen, you'll hear. Pretty neat, if you ask me. A Star Wars fan is sure to enjoy this device. From the time you switch it on to the time you switch it off, there's something there to relish and enjoy throughout. The Star Wars edition of the Note 10 Plus is available for dirhams 4599 and comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone is currently available on pre-order in the UAE from December 10th to December 15th, 2019 and will come with 2 years of Samsung Care Plus coverage worth dirhams 499 when pre-ordered. That's about it for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next one.